Hi again. In this video, we'll show you how you can track your SLAs in Zenduty and get reminders when any SLAs are about to be breached. A service level agreement defines what your customers should expect from you in terms of your performance, and Zenduty helps you meet your SLAs by tracking your time for acknowledging and resolving incidents and delivers your users reminder whenever one of these SLAs are out to be or already have been breached. Let's see how we can set this up. To create your own SLA policy, go to the team you want to make that for. Click on the SLA tab from the secondary sidebar and click on the Create SLA Policy button. Now inside this wizard, give your SLA policy a name and a useful description. And now you have two targets to define for your SLA policy. The acknowledgement target and the resolve target, defining in what timelines you should be acknowledging and resolving your incidents so as to not get any reminders. So for B0 SLAs, I'd want to acknowledge this within 5 minutes and resolve within 30 minutes maybe. And you can now get reminders in 4 different ways. You can get reminders before and after the acknowledge SLA is about to be breached and before and after the resolve SLA is about to be breached. So let's take one of these and type a name, maybe David Wallace and maybe Michael Scott as well. And let's say after 30 seconds, this SLA has been breached. You can choose to be alerted via your SLA tracker. And that's it. Now you can go to your service and choose this as the default SLA policy and just click on save. Now any incidents created inside this particular service will have the P0 SLA policy assigned by default, and Michael and David will get reminders as soon as they're about to be breached. Now you can see for any new created incidents inside the service, the SLA policy will automatically be attached, and you can track the SLA breach for both acknowledge and resolve right here from the incident page. And that's all about SLAs and SLA reminders. In the next video, we'll talk about the basics of incidents and alerts, some of the most core concepts of Zenduty's functioning.